one of the things that I enjoyed most about residency and my fellowship training at the University of Michigan was my opportunity and to train other doctors. This field has had somewhat of a mixed reputation in the past, but I wanted to try to make sure that doctors who were interested in entering the field had every opportunity for absolutely excellent education that teaches the proper ethical standards and the correct techniques to really, in the end, serve the patients the best. And so we've had the opportunity to train 62 doctors so far from around the world, actually, here at the American Academy of Hair Restoration Surgery in Alpharetta, Georgia. And it's really a fantastic part of my career, and it's something that I hope endures and outlasts me as a practicing physician as we provide just top-notch, all-star training to physicians who are interested in entering the field.